Lady in velvet rain. Midnight skies,
velvet rain falls slowly
softly shimmer on the boulevard tonight. She appears like fading winter, dressed in black and candlelight.
Every heartbeat sounds electric, every glance becomes a flame, like a beautiful addiction no one dares to ever name.
Cars are drifting through the silence, smoke is dancing in the air. Every stranger stops and watches as she disappears somewhere.
And the city keeps on breathing like a lonely wounded soul, while she walks beneath the thunder, trying to become whole.
Lady in velvet rain, dancing through my veins. You're the fire in the dark, the shadow on my heart. Lady in velvet rain, whispering my name, like a dream I cannot save, calling from the grave.
City angels watch you crying under scarlet traffic lights. Broken memories are flying through the smoke of endless nights.
She's a symphony of sorrow, a cathedral built from tears, holding on to stolen tomorrows and disappearing years.
Old reflections in the window show the girl she used to be, before the world became so hollow,
Before she lost her destiny.
rain keeps falling like a warning, cold as faded lullabies. Still she searches every midnight for the truth behind the lies.
Lady in velvet rain, love and loss remain. When the final shadows fall, I will hear your call.
Oh, lady of the endless night, burning like neon light. Even if the stars grow dim,
I will remember him. Runaway soul beneath the storm,
searching for a place still warm,
broken hearts beneath the city glow.
holding secrets no one else can know.
She keeps dancing while the world decays, lost inside the haze.
through the